riding a motorcycle.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
I always got to look through the curve.
Even more so on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
But those skills transfer to a car. All right, ease on out there with them. See how they're going to do, how things shake out behind us, whether someone's going to pass us or we'll pass somebody else. So here, coming up the pedestrian bridge, this is the right spot. Tap the brake and turn down to that green cone and out to the orange cone. So we'll be bringing a little bit more speed coming up the orange, but we need to tap that brake again, turn it in, smooth it out, and then we'll tip into the gas. Ease up and brake for this first one. Everybody's getting used to it. No more brake, though. And we can roll up the hill. See our orange cone up there? Take it right up to it. The next turn is really tight, tighter than you think. So brake and turn and keep turning. See how it is in here?
Yep,
okay. Right over the top on the blind hill. Just tap the brake at the bottom. Yep. Remember, none of this. Take your time. Look out your window, see where we're going, and follow the Lamborghini out and around. This is a really tight turn, so again, you keep turning, and now you smooth on the gas to the Sunoco side. Right. See how you jump off and the car goes like that?
Yep.
Be smooth on all your inputs. Smooth on the gas all up here. Just keep coming. Don't come on and off, just smooth on. Brake hard. Ease off the brake and turn back to gas out to the orange cone. All the way out there. Brake, turn, smooth it up, and go. Go, go, go. Ease off, brake, push, off the brake, turn the corner. If you keep your hands out here, you'll be smoother. Brake hard and turn tight. Over the middle. There it is, keep going. Brake and turn. Look out your window, follow that car. See how you're jumping off the gas?
I know, I'm fine.
It's a hard habit to brake.
It is.
These cars react to it. Our street cars don't really, but these cars do. So ease off the brake, off the gas. Hit the brake, turn, ease off the brake, and ease on the gas. Good. The smoother you are, the better this car is going to handle. Brake hard, turn, off the brake, all the way out, tap the brake, turn, wait for it, smooth on, and go, go, go. Ease off, brake hard, turn, up to the orange cone, get your eyes way out there. Brake hard, tight turn. Tighter, tighter, tighter. There you go. Smooth over the hill. Brake and turn, looking ahead. Alright, a little bit of speed in here. Brake, turn, keep turning. Remember this one's tight.
Yep.
Wait for it. Now go. We're not going to run over the Porsche. See how all that?
Oh, look at that back end kick out on me.
Work on smoothness. Go on up. Coming around.
I don't want to catch this Porsche.
Keep going. Brake hard. Off the brake and turn. Out to the orange cone. Take it out there. Brake and turn. Wait for it. Now go. Go, go, go. Ease off. Ease off. Brake hard. Ease off the brake. That's it. Smooth on the gas. Brake. This is the tight one.
Yep.
Smooth. Back to gas a little bit. Keep going. Just turn it in and follow the Porsche. Brake. Super tight turn. Keep turning. Now the Porsche is going to finish up his laps. We're done with ours. Okay. We're going to follow those cars in. So slow way down and turn left at the red cone.
Man, I wish I had about 4 more laps.
You know, if
Hey,
you did a
you wanna
yeah,
start?
right in